Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not already following me on Instagram or X at the Calipe, please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. This is crazy right here. So there's an airplane that's just been flying above City Walk. I feel for like an hour. And it's for Raising Cane's. Now open at City Walk. That's some good marketing right there. For today's adventure, we're gonna be doing updates of the whole theme park, City Walk, in the park, and hopefully we get to meet the Grinch. For the first update, over here at iFly, they are heavily at work at a future security hub at the Curious George parking lot side. Wow. They're already starting the roof. We're gonna go take a look at the Woody Woodpecker security hub as well. We're gonna have two in the upcoming future. Over here next to the beautiful Wicked Tree at Universal Cinema. This construction has been happening for a while. The last time I've heard any rumor, it's still bathrooms. We all wish it was something else, something cooler, but that's what we're hearing. It's going to be bathrooms that are going to be located right here. Today is opening day of Raising Cane's out here at Universal City Walk. I see people already eating everywhere, so this is going to be very popular. Very popular. Let's take a walk, see what it looks like inside. Wow, it is very nice in here. Holy macaroni. It's already packed. They got an ET poster in here. A journey beyond the stars, an adventure beyond belief. They even got Raising Cane merch. $25 hats. Wow. We got an Elvis. That's cool. I'm loving the feel in here, man. It's pretty big. Most important thing is, how much are the prices? So the box, $14.99. The three finger is $12.19. Craniac at a $19.99. Then sandwich combo, $13.19. And those come with the drinks, so that's not bad. There's like a photo op right here. Wow, this is legit. You didn't even realize a different restaurant was in here. This is Raising Cane's. The cool part about this Raising Cane's is you have this outdoor eating. There's outdoor eating on the left side, which at some point they're gonna have the mobile pickup. So you can probably do that through their Raising Cane app and just choose this location. But there's plenty of seating. And there's even seating upstairs if you really wanna get a different vibe. But the vibes at this Raising Cane's are awesome. They did an incredible job. Just a lot of happy people eating Raising Cane's already. It's just weird to see Raising Cane's at City Walk, but it's official. It has happened. I wanted to get a different perspective at the construction over here at Woody Woodpecker. And this is the second security hub. Looks like they got the floor done. You know, my first thought is this enough space for the crowds? But I guess it would be two, right? So it would split it all up. One thing too I was noticing, this looks like a road. Huh. Maybe for the drop-offs, right? The bus drop-offs and stuff like that, because there's always people getting dropped off from hotels. It's even like a tram that takes people up here. So that's probably what that's for. And then the escalators, they already got the roof on those things. They're probably getting close to get done with that. But man, they're doing an awesome job out here. Hopefully the next big opening out here at City Walk is this one right here. Mr. Barbecue. We're waiting. Looks like a big media event of some sort is going to happen at City Walk. Wow. It is about 84 degrees out here at Universal on this beautiful December day. I can't believe how hot. I almost wear a hoodie, but like, why? All right, let's get this party started. Wow. Hi, Alphabet. This is the calmest I've seen the Grinch area ever, man. Damn.
8-9.
8-9. He's like, I don't do 6-7.
All right, ready? 7-6.
You did it. 8-9. 8-9.
10-11.
Hey, whoa, all these trees. All these trees over here. Hey, what is this? Krampus?
Krampus, man, by Christmas.
Parisian courtyard Krampus.
There you go, man. By Christmas.
What the heck? But they are spending the big bucks enough to where they're theming Parisian courtyard. Wow. So it is still blocked. On the lookout for Fast and Furious. They're still running that Raising Cane's airplane. That's like more than an hour for sure. It's been flying up there. Wow. But yeah, you can't look out through here no more. They're currently not testing, but they have the actual real ride vehicles on the track right now, and they have tires. They're still all zebra printed, but those are all different ride vehicles. It's not just a Dom Toretto Charger. Over here in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, we got some construction walls that came up, and I have no clue why, but my heart says something could be happening soon. And it's something that we've talked about for a while, is how unused this whole real estate is. That queue never gets used. Ever.
Never. Not even once.
Yeah, like it's just unused real estate. So maybe they're considering doing something out here. Look at that. It's kind of a big area, honestly, because it stretches all the way to like the studio tour. Look at the space in here, man, for so many activities. And if you go a little bit further down, I think they're already starting to remove stuff. I think behind the first wall, look at that. Some pipes have been removed. Are they maintaining unused water fountains, or is that being removed? I would say it's being removed. So anything for Christmas?
Marty? Well, you know, Doc had to, I don't want to say confiscate, but he confiscated my hoverboard and the shoes.
Oh my
Which everyone keeps
gosh.
asking me about. Believe me, I want them too. So I'm hoping for Christmas, maybe Doc's feeling generous and he'll charge them up for me. I get to have the hoverboard and shoes again.
Is Doc hard to shop for? I don't even know what I would get Doc for Christmas.
He's hard to shop for, but he's also really easy.
Okay,
right?
okay.
Because if I give him a teddy bear and say someone in the past knew it, he's gonna have a good day. Like Teddy Roosevelt had this teddy bear.
Yeah.
And he was like, "Oh, great Scott, the teddy bear!" Right?
Okay.
I didn't even know that. I'm like, well, future's what you make of it. Right?
That's what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
so it works
Okay.
out. We make it work.
Time to get on the studio tour. Let's go.
It's almost showtime. It's not open until 2026. But hey, we're almost there. So for updates and eventual opening question, continuing on our right-hand side, though, I'm going to show you a few more smaller sound stages, originally used for TV shows dating back to sitcoms like The Jeffersons, The Munsters, Sabrina the Teenage Witch, the American Gladiators who were fighting in an everything comedy, The Office. There's a couple of stars to say hi. And if you also want to wave at a celebrity, coming up on your left-hand side is our very own Ted the Bear. And behind Ted on the left, there's these little brown buildings. These are production offices for other producers through the years. We've had Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He got a company. Film The Voice, the live-action music competition. Will be possible by stages 30 and 31. A little bit of activity going on over here as they work on their newest season with coaches including Reba McEntire and Snoop Dogg.
Hey there.
Look at this.
Do we know that they're filming a movie or?
Some permits have been filed for the removal of some of these western buildings.
As we clear the other tram here on your
And as you can see,
left-hand
construction
side,
has started over there
a
next to
view of this
Earthquake.
gorgeous pond
gone
tunnel.
vertical. Look at
Ducks are
that.
enjoying it today on this beautiful day. There's unusually warm for
So much
December, my
movement will be
goodness.
happening in
This
this
is the
vicinity.
Hollywood Ocean, as long as you use miniature ships. And I'll show you an exhibit digging up all of these ancient Egyptian artifacts that are actually just for a movie. But now taking you back to other genres of the silent film era, we're now in a little area that we call 6 Points, where we did all of those cowboys and western movies. And here is home to some of Hollywood's famous cowboys. Clint Eastwood, John Wayne, Jimmy Stewart, and all the others who are from this town. All the way down to Andy Island with the shark. But we're not going to go into the movies and TV shows. Some just as famous as the actors. Famous mustache of his.
We got more show cars.
Staying on screen in just a second.
More
too.
nice.
And then
Let's
over on the
go.
left, we got the Flintstones. Man-powered cars, I like to call them, because they don't have engines.
Harry
And
Potter.
of course, at the end, can't miss out on the Fast and the Furious from California. We're about to visit the sets of Jordan Peele's latest sci-fi thriller with the...
Over there, we'll continue winking. After the picture taking just like the kids at old Andy see the brand new Star Lasso experience. Built to showcase an unbelievable.
No. What's a bad miracle? Well, you'll have to see our movie to answer that. Until then, I hope you enjoy your visit to Jupiter's Claim.
Whoa.
Did you see in your phone?
I didn't know it was open right here.
Relationship with Universal Studios
Terrifying.
just as a high school kid on a tour bus. Remember, in those days, there weren't travel to be on the lot. This was my first time ever on a movie studio lot. And during a bathroom break, I hid in the bathroom, and when everybody left to get back on the bus, I waited another 15 minutes until I'm sure the bus left.
We'll take you back to the theme park. Woo! Universal's going to be open until 6 p.m. tonight, so if you need some ideas for the rest of your day, be sure to check out the Universal Studios.
I'm even adorable when I'm mini-sized. Yeah! I have the power to Grinch again! Wow! Applause! Applause! Oh, you guys suck! Shut up! The baby is sleeping!
With no story time host.
Mr. Grinch! Oh, you Mr. Grinch! Yeah!
Horrible idea. Just shut up. Shut up.
That is going to be all for today over here at Universal. What a fun day, man. I can't wait to come back. Hopefully we get to do Earthquake. I feel like it's been forever since we've done Earthquake, but they put the Fast and Furious train back in the maintenance, so they're not going to be doing any testing. But that was cool to get some Grinch moments. Always fun to meet the Grinch, man. But thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button. We are firing it down.